soon.
Let me get a drink
King of Cage coming soon, you know what I'm saying? And I mean, right about now, I guess you're gonna have to hit him with freestyle, you know?
Alright, go ahead, Charles.
First off the motherfucking rip, I'm a real nigga, run up on me, you gon' trip. Ciroc bottle in the fucking car, we gon' sip. Bunch of rolling with me, I'ma bust his lip. He's talking all crazy, talking about this guap, nigga, your bullshit ain't like mine. Nigga, you want some other shit, you ain't even on my fucking level. I got the fucking bezel with me, ready to fucking go. Nigga, cock and watch it blow. Yeah, I'm a real nigga on my jump, man, shit. Shooting one time, just like the fucking jump, man, bitch. Winning the fucking game. These niggas lame. Thought you knew, nigga. I run the motherfucking game. Rolling with real niggas from Guerrero and Zacatecas. Got my fucking real niggas rolling with me all night in the fucking club. Yeah, we gon' fucking fight. Yeah, if you want it, nigga, bottles all night. Nigga, you already know we spent $100 on fucking dope. I'm a real nigga, I used to sell some dope. Don't put that shit on Facebook, cause that fucking fed shit gon' get me fucking locked up and going for a long time. But oh well, nigga, let me bust another fucking ride. Let me tell you this, I'm doing sober slime. How you like it, nigga? Give it a couple minutes, I'ma get some slow rockin', nigga. I'ma kill this business.
Yeah, shout out to that nigga fucking sober. For a cop, I'll never pull over. Tell your bitch, been the fucking over. It's been over since fucking December. Rolling tree like timber. If you don't get that shit, get up off my dick. You ain't fuck with this shit, so fuck it. Drinking some shit I ain't heard of. Let me get a drink. Wait, pauses my shit. Going in this bitch, about to sell a brick. And I don't give a shit, makes the same shit what I'm saying. My niggas ain't playing, hold the chopper up. Nigga, don't get sprayed in the fucking face, nigga, ain't no fucking racing. My niggas in the last place, placing. In the first time, my nigga, I'm so fucked up. Then that's cocaine, nigga, let's get fucked up. Like I'm down with MMG. Hold up, let me kill this shit. It's my shit.